So yesterday the kid that built the tree house with zero skills inspired me to do this bridge here. Check it out. Wow, this is brilliant, man. Huh. Like they use what they find, you know? Like, and that was where I was doing a cold plunge. That was the spot where I was doing cold plunge this winter. It's exactly here. Like the cold plunge spot is like right there, right here. Like, okay. Like, this is really special. Like they make, like, you know, they make a huge bridge. They make a huge cabin. Like this is the first time, like, you know, a teenager of, like, I don't know how old he is, maybe 13 years old. I'm really impressed. Like, I don't know how to... Like, they did a cabin where I was doing cold plunge, and I create a wall, and I create a trail over there this winter to cold plunge. And they feel like that was the right spot to build a cabin where I was doing cold plunge. So we are like on the other side of the waterfall, and here there was all these vines. So and there was this piece of wood here, but it breaks. So I was able to remove all this, and here you need to go like this. And before there was not the platform that you see there. I just did that. I have like some piece of wood underneath, but it was kind of sketchy. But I'm like, it doesn't need to be like the perfect straight bridge, because nothing is level, nothing it's, I need to just, you know, improvise. So that's what I did, and it's perfect. So this is the upgrade that I create. I put one board yesterday, but I was not able to fit the other board, but I was able to figure it out today. And instead of doing this and then jump here, now you can go like that, like that. So much better, so much better. Like, you know, when you reach the other side, like, you know, after the waterfall, that's the first part of the path that lead to the trail. Nice color. Beauty, beauty, beauty. And there is a woodpecker right next to me on top of that.